Good morning, everyone. Mrs. K Hall and baby Evelyn here this morning to do our daily number corner. So let's get started. All right, today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Before we check and see if it is symmetrical and what the shape is, if you want to cut it out, feel free to do that and pause the video now. All right, we're going to get started. We have an oval today. So you're so silly. I have my oval right here. Do you think that our oval is going to be symmetrical? Well, friends, let's find out. You check? Okay, let's check. It's symmetrical that way, but it wouldn't be this way. So it is only symmetrical in halves. Let's log that in our chart. So we have an oval today. It is symmetrical in two, so just in halves. Doesn't go any further, and yes, it is symmetrical. All right, how many days in school? So yesterday what we did is we had how many days in school. It was your job to tell me how many there was and to fill in our chart below. So let's take a look at someone's chart. So this is one of my friends' beautiful job doing the fill in following parts for how many days in school. How many days? 150 days. Absolutely correct. Written form, remember this was optional. 150 days. Hundreds, tens, and ones. There's 100, 5 tens, and 0 ones. And here's the expanded form. 100 plus 50 plus 0 equals 150. And I'm actually going to copy and paste this into ours. Great job, Miss Hannah. So just like I said, we had 150 days. Let's see if it'll work. It did. Perfect. So 150 days. 100, 0 tens, 100, 5 tens, and 0 ones. And expanded form, 100 plus 50 plus 0 equals 150. Fantastic job. Let's add another day in school. So we already know that we have 150. What comes after 150? So remember, this is 100. Let's count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Stop. 151. Fantastic. We have 151 days in school today. I know. So 151 days in school. Oops. There we go. I'm actually just going to put days instead of days in school. There we go. Are you wiggling all over, you little wormy? All right. So let's take these away so that we can write them on our own. What are you doing, you silly goose? Okay. Written form. 151. And how many hundreds, tens, and ones? One. Oh my goodness. 100 plus 5 tens plus 1 1. And that equals 151. And expanded form, that's going to be your job today. You are going to make an equation. I'm going to write the expanded form, but it's going to be your job to write an equation. You can do the expanded form or you can do another one. So our expanded form is 100 plus 50 plus 1 equals 151. Tomorrow is our last day doing our popsicle sticks, so let's see how many we get today. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are you doing? 5. I'm going to put it on this side. Let's bank our tallies. 1, 2. Remember, when we get to 5, we have to cross over. 3, 4, 5. So, there's something here. We have to make a bundle of what? 10. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye-bye. Yes. And get a beautiful bundle of 10. How many do we have now? Let's check if you're right. 10 plus 2 more. Let's count it. 10, 11, 12. So far we have 12. So excited to see what we get tomorrow. Okay, today is Wednesday. So, excuse me. Reading lesson 5. Watch and follow the directions on there. Dreambox. Remember, if you click on the Dreambox symbol right here, it'll bring you right to Launchpad, which you can log into and do Dreambox. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. Barkhausen activity, that is on Google Classroom. And remember your optional art, music, and PE activities from Miss Mortimer, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Mr. King. Friends, have a beautiful Wednesday. And I know it's rainy today, which is not too much fun to be outside when it's rainy, but I know that it's supposed to warm up and be so nice outside soon. So baby Evelyn and I say have a great Wednesday, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.